Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about the group scanning feature. So we have like three functions, but I will demo for you. First one is gonna be scan group ID. So first that you can scan with keyword. You can type the keyword you want to scan in. For example, I will type in like real estate, and after that I can choose the account I want to use for scanning. From now you can choose like how many groups you want to scan with that keyword, and then you just need to click the start up here, so it will scrape for you on the group with that keyword, and it will have full information about that group is public or private, that group is need admin approve or not, how many members in that group, and the link to that group too. After you finish scanning, you can export an Excel file. From now you can short it a little bit and put some filter on to filter the group you want to post to or you want to comment to. Let me zoom in. So you can see here that it's gonna have like the group name, the group type is public or private, the censorship of the group, how many members, the link to the group. But you only need to focusing for me the column B is like the ID of person, so only this group has this ID. So you copy for me the ID. If you want to scan group member, you copy for me the number and you go back to the software, go to the function, scan group members, then you can paste the ID in. From now you can choose like how many members you want to scan. For example, I will scan for you around 500 people. Just select the accounts you want to use and click start. And you can export an Excel file right here. I save with the name group member. I will turn it on for you right now. So it will have like full information about what I say. It's gonna have like the name, the UID of person, the same like group, the time that member join, and the link to their Facebook. And the last function is gonna be scan group information. So basically that you just need to paste in the ID of the group and you select the accounts and run it again. It will show the information about like how many admins or how many members or like how many new members linked to their group and the ID of the group. So you can export an Excel file again. Okay, this is the Excel file. So okay, from now you can see all the information of the group, the time that group created, and this is the end for this function. If you have any questions, you can text me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you and see you again.